everybody, my name's Alex, and today I will react Tyke and Son Lava Code where, yeah, it's created by Mixels, or Mixlash. It's a who creators of Baby Cyber Circus. It's just, okay, so let's just react this, shall we? Oh, you can see Mr. Chipper on the screen. That's our old song. Oh, what's it says? Chop down a tree or something, son. So that's actually his son, Tyke's son, who been married, Tyke's son. Tyke's girlfriend, yes. Wow, nice remix. You know, the creator of this one, I will not talk about it. Okay, so we have a spider cave, but, huh. Excuse me. Okay. Oh, we have an animatronic.
Oh, mine's dead.
Yeah, you need to charge. One day, maybe tomorrow. My mom? One day. So sayings, chop or make would report this robot has. I think they were animatronics. What was that? Oh well. So I like hats on. Whoa! Too much robot. Too much animatronics with the X. Oh yeah, we can see this Tyke or Mr. Chipper, whatever you could call it. So we have a snow magic cave. I don't know what's coming next backstage. Wow, nice thing. Whoa! And here's Mr. Chipper. Wow, I like that. I gotta give a comment. Oh, so we have final boss. Tyke and Son Slumber. Alright, that's really good.
Alex,
Huh?
is it number 2 just for the games?
Yep. Alright, what's that? Oh god, it's not going to be a scariness. If it is, then what is that? Where is Chipper? Oh god. This is a scariness. Oh good. So this is Tyke's and Son Lumberco. What is that? It's like Chipper. It says excellent for this. And here's Dugo. Yeah, this card they says, wow, they look like a great job. And it's like, yeah, thanks. So I don't know what's going on. I am. See? So I guess let's be Nightmare Chipper. So I will give him a thumbs up. Yeah, good job. But I know it's coming on. It's coming. Also, we have this Tyke and Son numbers. Of course, it's coming on October 24, 2009. Means it's gonna be on Halloween.
What is?
Tyke and Son Lumber Co. I actually do a reaction. Mom, I do a reaction video. So yeah, that is Tykes and Son Lumber Cove. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you click the, well, well, hmm, we got an awesome styles list. Style. So, also, I can see, I like that. Also, you want to see, like, they're gonna play games. Like, we have Baby Sniper 6 is a fighter face, uh, BNC Bike Fighters is actually an Afro, BNC to April Fools, and so yeah, I guess I'll always be like a Tesla Hope one day because Tesla Hope is actually a copy character, or so it's a female copy. It's like I am the only one with a copy. So yeah, enjoy this video. Make sure you subscribe, Mixelax, I can't ask that, and go on Game Joy and follow this one. I already did. So have fun, guys. Bye. Peace. Whatever that is. Yeah.